Back again to my channel, the Ruang Tabroni channel. Let's paint horses together. This is an example of a horse to be drawn. Let's draw here. We draw from the head to the horse's tail, then follow with other lines. If the video is too fast, friends can pause the video for a moment, then start again. After that, give the horse color to each part of its body to make it look more attractive. Come on, let's repeat the drawing with the faster version. The process of drawing the horse is complete, friends. You can try it until you get it. Thank you. Nice to meet again.